and abetting an illegality and the violations of the rights of the accused persons in terms of the protection of law if such a prosecution were permitted to proceed. Accordingly, the net was discharged, not acquitted, in order to give the prosecution a chance. To arraign him to court in accordance with the law. And so that the court's hands are not stained with the blood and the illegalities, like the acts of abduction and violence that was witnessed at Ruto. Your Honor, applied to this particular case, the issue is simple. The accused persons, once an order has been made, and it used to be civilized a long time ago, once an order has been made that a person has been admitted to bail, it must mean at the very minimum that that person must spend a night in their home, in their house. Otherwise, it would mean that the only choice that the magistrates at Ruto and Kiambu had was to agree with the prosecution. And if you disagree with the prosecution, we abduct within the same court and bring somebody to committee. Is it called Kahawa or committee? This court. Kahawa. And bring somebody to anti-terrorism court.
But the nature of the confinement, you are right to call it committee.
So that yes,
I'm going to change country.
You add anything after me. So that, Your Honor, the issue, and it should bother the conscience of this court, because what's the image that the prosecution and the police, anti-terrorism police, are projecting? That those people that we cannot prosecute on a low threshold of law, we take them to Kahawa law courts, the anti-terrorism law courts, on the same issues, on the same charges, on the same facts. My Lord, if that were to be the case and were to be permitted, it would mean that the critical gain under the 2010 Constitution in terms of ensuring that the courts are not an executive branch and an extension of the executive arm of government would have come back. The courts in Ruto and Kiambu did act independently. That the court